Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Campaign to be conducted in adjoining areas of the city for catering to wider sections of society. Full authorization granted to the police and district administration to penalize violators. And clarification by the Deputy Chief Minister on the inefficiency of the vaccine portal. And now the news in detail. The state government informed that the Directorate of Information and Public Relations has been advised to ensure that correct and complete information on COVID-19 and protocols is passed on to all the nooks and corners of the state so that the people are aware of the danger that the virus carry.
Or not complete. What I'm trying to tell you is this. That's what I'm telling you we decided to do. From next week, aggressive camping has to be made, be it urban, be it rural area. We need to do that. Because the behavioral change is a need of our right now. We need that people should understand the gravity of the spread of this coronavirus. Unlike last year, but this year I'm telling you, so dangerous, so grim, you cannot take it for granted. You can't say that no, I'm safe, I'm okay, I'm fine. I can move out, move in, wherever I want to go, wherever I want to come. So,
observing the present scenario in the state with the rising of positive COVID-19 cases every day, the state government has decided to give full authorization to the police departments and the district administration to take stern action against violators, since it has been observed that many are not following the protocols at all.
We have already authorized police to do the needful. We have already told the district administration, take stern action against the violators. You need to take stern action. That's why I'm telling you, why do we have to do that? We have to do that just because people, they keep ignoring the appeal of the government. That's what I'm telling you, the need of the hour right now is let every citizen of the state take the responsibility individually. That if I feel that I don't need to go, why should I go? But right now it seems people who does not need, but they come home. They feel bored. They want to stay at home. We don't say that stay at home. Even ourselves, we don't want people to just stay at home. We knew your livelihood. We understand the ground reality.
The Deputy Chief Minister also informed that there is no shortage of oxygen in the state so far. He added that by next week, a few oxygen generators will be installed in Shillong and some more to be installed by the end of this month in other major towns of Jawai, Nongpoh and Tura.
As of now, shortage is not there, so we should not worry about it. And by next week, I've already explained to you, by next week we'll be able to install few oxygen generators in Shillong, and again, by the end of this month, we'll be able to install the bigger generator in these three district headquarters. One is Jawai, one is Nongpoh, and one is Tura.
Speaking to the media, the Deputy Chief Minister informed that since Meghalaya is a transit state, therefore, a complete shutdown for plying of commercial trucks is not possible, reiterating the fact that they have to pass through Meghalaya for transportation of essential goods to other places in northeast India.
See, in fact, right now, those commercial trucks, we have not closed it. When did we close? We did not. Because see, we have to adjust ourselves between the livelihood and also the spread of this virus. That's what this national way, being the transit state we are, we did not close totally. We cannot also close totally because it is a transit state where people have to move in and out via Meghalaya.
Clarifying on the matter of the inefficiency of the vaccine portal where people were unable to book for their vaccinations, the Deputy Chief Minister said,
through that slot, it is intimated to them that you have to come on that day. But it seems that obviously, out of sight or what, they're supposed to go tomorrow, they went today. So that kind of things are there. But I'm sure right now the report that we receive is smooth. 92-93% is we have already crossed. for the vaccination of 18 to 44. Now we have shortage. The shortage is, as I said to you, it's not a new thing that it happens only in Meghalaya. It happens throughout the nation. So right now, government of India, they're still working out. They are still having discussion with the manufacturing company, and this is beyond our control. We can't help it.
So when do you expect this vaccine to come?
I can't say anything right now, but we have already sent official requests both for 45 and above as well as for the 18 to 44.
How much you are asking?
The Deputy Chief Minister informed that the situation in the state is worsening. It is up to the citizens of the state to understand the need for absolute caution in such a situation, which is causing the authorities to meet regularly to review the developments so that appropriate steps and measures could be taken to ensure the well-being of the citizens. The state is undergoing great challenges in addressing issues which does not concern the pandemic is inappropriate at the moment.
That's what I'm saying. We are yet to take decision because everything we are reviewing about the spread of the virus. You need to understand that point, right? Please understand. Be it NGO, be the concerned citizen of the state. Please understand the situation that we face right now. The situation is, as I said to you, is so grim. It is very, very bad. So we don't want that it get worse. So therefore, we keep meeting every day, and even if we don't meet every day, our phone is always 24/7 because we need to take a decision wherever need be to take a decision. So therefore, as I said to you right now, our focus is how to make sure that the spread does not further deteriorate.
After the government conducted the COVID vaccine drive for 18 to 44 age groups from May 14th, 2021, it was seen that the response from the general public was satisfactory. Many people, young and old, came forward to receive the vaccine in different centers as prepared by the state government. In one of the centers in Chudwaku Urban Health Center, Juwai, people expressed gratitude to the government, which has given them a chance to get vaccinated at the right time. Some of these people expressed that they have been longing for the vaccine for quite some time. They were quite sad when they couldn't receive the vaccine as they were not above the age of 45 years. And some said, at first they were quite unsure about the vaccine, but after much awareness given by the government and the health workers, now they have no doubt about the vaccine.
Keselam yang betong kuyo tadang ni kesegi ingo yo galai wa ngejelong ba yang gini kita wai man bakalat ka jingerapi yo yadai ino di kunyan simpan dengan ni yang na kerpat o yiki vitawan hejo ipor le eben se mi pi vitawan snya phami chakma ta osnya ko ini pot habi de yekni yo ini injection tem to pi sarim to ibon wan rela chakma ne pha kam kibru habi ini yung nasam to yo ucham apa yo wan dang tang ko kibru ngai ba dang ba ni ga injection yo yada ke i te kerpat pi kan tu pi lagi vitawan ki perlaw ki snya ha la chakma yo pi kan injection yo man ba ka jing yada i nang ba ni kujut wo yui ka ni wo de him ni wo bon ni man sim yang ki bru
to ngomong lewa to ya geri man lewa mencari to harusnya urku bagani ka kejut te harusnya kuat hele dom chwa to harusnya kena prom gi wa to doa ne bonjek te ne te da mar kuat em gini pulang usaha sini sa jua te kiwa pele ngani ka injek gini doa go om gini ambuk di buk no go mule te kiwa pele nga te phon nga te keli gi qua injek mo qua pi to mo qua go te kiwa pele nga te minister te wan cha do sini sa jua injek sini sa jua ko te kiba ne Kamong gua ada pak mo gua ada ki do san senam jedrong gitu gua ada ki jan ada pi te komjo kan ni le ang ka tras nan jedrong dengan skam dan ki pak guru dia menjor lang ki mo man ko memi gini memi ki jo le memi te i skam de guru ki pak go bisim bentar lang ki kan ni te kara singa semen ngam em misal Argentina ngam sana rum chuai sno kwa to wa cái chuyện mà ra em cầm đâu ai tôi đâu ai vô về vô về cái chuyện thì ngắm em mình nào cái tiền này thì chết ngã đuôi tiền này.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.